Hi, in this video I will show you how to create the right angle weave stitch. I will use the blue beads here. I will take 4 beads, so these 4 beads, and I will create a circle with these 4 beads. So I will grab them like this, and I will go with the thread through all 4 beads. So like this, I go with the thread once more through these 4 beads, and now I'm going to pull on these beads, and as you can see it has formed this circle. To make sure that it doesn't open, I can go again through those beads to make another circle inside of those beads. And again pull on those threads. Like this. So I have created the first circle of 4 beads, and now to continue, let's go through this bead and then through this bead, and I have brought my thread in this point here. And now I will take another 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3 beads, to create another circle. So I'll go through this bead like this with the 3 beads, and I will pull on this thread like this, and I have created the second circle of beads. If you like, you can go again through the beads to reinforce your second circle of beads. To make sure that they don't open, so I will go again through these beads like this, like this. Now I go again through this bead and through the second bead like this, and I will exit through the top bead again. So again I have my thread at the top bead here. And now let's do the same steps that I did before to create another circle of 4 beads. I will take 3 beads again, 1, 2 and 3, like this, and again I will go with these 3 beads through my top bead, and as you can see I have formed a third circle of beads. Let's reinforce them again. That means let's go again with the thread through all those beads. Sorry, they just jumped. I'll go through this bead, then through the bead at the bases here, then I'll go through the latter bead here, and through this bead. And now we want to go in this direction to create one more line of beads, but this time on this side. So we won't continue to go in this direction. Now we want to go in this direction. So we have to exit through this bead. So I will go like this and exit through this bead. And now let's use the yellow beads. And I will take 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3, like this. So I have these 3 beads, and I will go through this top bead here with the 3 beads, and I have created a circle formed of made up of 3 yellow beads and 1 of the blue beads that belonged to my previous row. Now I will go back to reinforce these beads. So I will go again through these beads, through the yellow beads, to make sure that they stay in place. Like this. I'll go through this blue bead here. And now to create my second row of yellow beads, I will go through the next blue bead here, like this. And now, as you can see, I have 2 of my beads already here, so the blue bead and the yellow bead, so I have to only add 2 more yellow beads instead of 3. This time I will only add 2 more beads. So I will go through this yellow bead with my 2 beads, and as you can see, I have created another row of yellow beads. Let's reinforce it. So I will go through the blue bead, then through the yellow bead, like this, through the top yellow bead, through the lateral yellow bead, like this. Now through the blue bead here at the bases, and as you can see, I have formed another circle of beads, again 3 yellow and 1 blue. Now let's continue and go to the last blue bead here, like this. And again I will take 2 yellow beads, 1 and 2 yellow beads, and I will go back like this and go through my yellow bead here, and I have formed the last circle of yellow beads. Let's reinforce them. So I'll go through the blue bead like this, through the yellow bead, through this yellow bead again, through the last yellow bead, and again through the blue bead. And now if I want to continue making rows on this side, I must reach this point here, so take the needle out through the top bead. So let's continue through the yellow bead, and now I have reached the top bead here, the yellow bead. And now I can continue making the rows here. So as you can see, I have these small circles of beads created with the right angle weave stitch. So I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching.